Hey, what's up, guys? So today I goofed. I woke up late. So I started around 7-ish Pacific time. I looked at Roku, saw that it went up, went down, held this level, was about to break it, took a small size, like 300 shares. On the way down, I just scaled out. And that's pretty much it on the Roku. It's pretty extended. If we look at the 5-minute, we kind of see the similar trend. That's why I took the short. Not much money made here. It wasn't really moving as much the time that I'm looking at it. Other trade I did was QCOM. Same for QCOM. It went down, went up, went down, went up. Kind of range bound here. And also, if you look down here, it's SMA. So it's right below the SMA. There's a level of resistance. So I took it on the short side, and as it dropped, I just covered really quickly and got out. So not much money here either. So that was QCOM. UPS, I took it for the long just because it helped. This is a level of support here. So as it dropped, it got there. I went in, same on the 5-minute level of support. It bounced a bit, but didn't really bounce as much as I like to. So I sold out one just to see what happens, and then on the way back down, I just got all out. I don't want it to get past my break even. So not much money there. It's like 20 bucks. And then pins. Pins is the one that kind of screwed me up initially, and then I switched, and then I traded it one more time for a win. So I thought it was going to go up. It dropped. It held this level here. Went back up, went down, held this level again. If you look at pre-market too, this is a strong level. So I bought some on the way down. I continued to add, and then it looked like it was going to break it. So if it was going to break this level, I was going to get out because this is 32. A dollar later is all the way down here. This is where it bounced, but it's not a good idea to hold it. So I actually got out, switched my position to short. On the way down, I sold, and it did. It got to down here, which is close to the SMA, and then it bounced. So I got out my last piece there. So I kind of made back the money that I lost from this trade, just barely, I think. And then on the way down, it dropped all the way down. I saw the SMA. Now it's touching the SMA. So I feel a little more confident to go back in long. Also, remember, down here is also, it corresponds to like the at the open. So there is sort of like a channel here where it's bouncing. So I went in long, maybe they 2,000 shares or something, or 1,500 on the bounce, because this is where it was support. Now it's going to be resistance. So I got out here, but it seems like it broke through that. It may actually make it back to VWAP or break past it a bit. But I'm done. I made my money. So good way to end the month. And yeah, that's it. I think that's it. Oh, I did a trade on crowd too, CRWD. So CRWD, it dropped all the way down here. And this, if we look at the 15-minute, corresponds to a level down here. So there is a level. So this is where I went in. I took like 300 shares. On the pop, I scaled out. Almost 200 bucks just by doing that. So it dropped. Went in. If it continues to drop, I would have bought more down here as well, because you can see this held this level pretty well. Also down here, 109.32. So I probably would have scaled in here and here. If it breaks this, I just get out. But yeah, that's it. That's my trade.